Welcome to the next episode of TBM's series, 3 Minutes Inside Operations, Back to Basics. Today we're discussing something deceptively simple, yet incredibly powerful: standard work. Now, standard work comes from the Toyota production and lean management. But don't let the manufacturing roots fool you. The concept is just as critical and powerful in every other industry, even services such as healthcare, banking, and hospitality. So what is standard work? Well, at its core, standard work is the best known way to perform a task. Documented, repeatable, and continuously improved. It's not rigid bureaucracy, over documentation, but it is clarity. So why is standard work important? Well, because variability in any work is your enemy. Let me give you an example. Imagine onboarding a new client. Without standard work, every individual does it slightly different. Different questions, different documents, different timelines. The result? Missed information, inconsistent expectations, and rework. Now, introduce standard work. A defined onboarding checklist, a structured sequence of meetings and questions, a standard data collection template. Suddenly, onboarding becomes predictable, faster, and of higher quality. Let me give you another example about internal reporting. Without standard work, every report looks slightly different. Different formats, different KPIs, different logic, and managers spend more time interpreting than deciding. With standard work, reporting follows a consistent structure. Same metrics, same definition, same cadence. Decisions become quicker and alignment improves. So, here is where the real value comes in. Standard work reduces waste. Waste of time, waste of effort, waste of knowledge. And it improves effectiveness. When everyone follows a proven method, the outcome becomes more reliable. You don't depend on individual heroics, but you've built an institutional capability. And that directly impacts customer satisfaction because clients experience consistency, their deadlines are met, deliverables are predictable, and trust increases. Ultimately, this adds up to enterprise value. Because a business runs on standards, it is scalable, it is transferable, there is less dependency on specific individual, and it becomes a system, not just a collection of people. Now, a key point of standard work: it is not static. It is the currently best way of doing something, until you find a better way. So the goal is not perfection, the goal is continuous improvement, but methodically and formally. Define it, use it, improve it. That's the cycle. So, today's takeaway: if you feel that work is chaotic, inconsistent, or heavily dependent on individuals, you don't need more talent. You need a better standard work methodology. At TBM, we've helped thousands of organizations over the past 35 years build cycles of continuous improvement based on standard work. The results have delivered hundreds of millions to our clients' bottom lines. Contact us and see what we can do for your organization to reduce your inefficiencies by implementing standard work. That's it for today. Back to basic. Until next time, keep it simple, keep it structured, and keep improving.